Let's begin by exploring what biomaterials actually are. Biomaterials are substances that have been engineered to interact with biological systems for medical purposes. These materials can be natural or synthetic and are designed to support, enhance, or replace damaged tissues or organs. From the replacement of a hip joint to the coating on a stent, biomaterials play a crucial role in modern medicine. The unique properties allow them to integrate seamlessly with the human body, making them indispensable in a wide range of medical applications. As we move forward, we'll see just how diverse and innovative these materials can be. The journey of biomaterials dates back centuries, with early examples including wooden teeth and gold fillings. Over time, advancements in science and technology have transformed the field. In the 20th century, the development of polymers and ceramics opened new possibilities for medical implants and devices. Today, biomaterials are at the forefront of medical innovation, with ongoing research pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Understanding this history helps us appreciate how far we've come and sets the stage for the exciting developments we'll discuss next. Biomaterials can be broadly categorized into natural and synthetic types. Natural biomaterials are derived from living organisms, such as collagen or silk, and are often biocompatible and biodegradable. Synthetic biomaterials, on the other hand, are man-made and can be tailored for specific functions, like titanium for bone implants or silicone for soft tissue replacement. Each type has its own advantages and challenges, and the choice depends on the intended application. This distinction is fundamental to understanding how biomaterials are selected and used in healthcare. For a material to be considered a biomaterial, it must possess certain key properties. Biocompatibility is essential, meaning the material must not cause an immune response or toxicity. Mechanical strength is also important, especially for load-bearing implants. Additionally, biomaterials should be able to integrate with surrounding tissues and in some cases promote healing or regeneration. These properties are carefully engineered and tested to ensure safety and effectiveness in medical applications. Biomaterials have revolutionized medicine by enabling a wide range of applications. They are used in joint replacements, dental implants, heart valves, and even contact lenses. In wound healing, biomaterials like hydrogels provide a moist environment that promotes tissue repair. In drug delivery, specially designed materials can release medications at controlled rates. The versatility of biomaterials continues to expand, offering new hope for patients with various medical conditions. One of the most common uses of biomaterials is in orthopedic implants. Materials like titanium and certain ceramics are used to replace damaged bones and joints. These implants must be strong enough to withstand daily activities while being compatible with the body's tissues. Advances in surface coatings and design have improved the longevity and performance of these implants, allowing patients to regain mobility and quality of life. Dental care has greatly benefited from biomaterials. Materials such as dental amalgam, ceramics, and composite resins are used for fillings, crowns, and implants. These materials must be durable, aesthetically pleasing, and safe for long-term use in the mouth. Ongoing research aims to develop even better materials that mimic natural tooth structure and resist bacterial growth, improving oral health outcomes. Biomaterials are essential in the development of cardiovascular devices such as stents, heart valves, and vascular grafts. These devices must be able to withstand the dynamic environment of the circulatory system while minimizing the risk of blood clots and infection. Innovations in biomaterial coatings and designs have led to safer, more effective cardiovascular treatments, saving countless lives each year. Wound care, biomaterials like hydrogels and bioactive dressings have transformed the healing process. These materials provide a protective barrier, maintain moisture, and can even deliver growth factors to promote tissue regeneration. By mimicking the natural environment of the skin, these biomaterials accelerate healing and reduce the risk of infection, making them invaluable in both acute and chronic wound management. Biomaterials have enabled the development of advanced drug delivery systems. These systems can be engineered to release medications at controlled rates, target specific tissues, and reduce side effects. Examples include biodegradable polymers that slowly dissolve to release drugs over time, and nanoparticles that deliver chemotherapy directly to cancer cells. Such innovations are improving the effectiveness and safety of many treatments. Tissue engineering is a cutting-edge field that relies heavily on biomaterials. By combining cells with specially designed scaffolds, scientists can create new tissues to replace or repair damaged organs. These scaffolds provide the structure and support needed for cells to grow and function properly. Advances in biomaterials are making it possible to engineer increasingly complex tissues, bringing us closer to the goal of lab-grown organs. Biodegradable biomaterials are designed to break down naturally in the body after fulfilling their purpose. This eliminates the need for surgical removal and reduces long-term complications. Common examples include sutures that dissolve after wound healing and temporary scaffolds used in tissue engineering. The development of safe, effective biodegradable materials is a major focus in biomaterials research. Smart biomaterials are engineered to respond to changes in their environment. For example, some materials can release drugs in response to specific stimuli, such as changes in pH or temperature. Others can promote healing by releasing growth factors only when needed. These intelligent materials represent the next generation of biomaterials, offering more precise and personalized medical treatments. Nanotechnology has opened up new possibilities in biomaterials. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, scientists can create surfaces that promote cell attachment, resist bacteria, or deliver drugs more effectively. Nanoscale coatings and particles are being used in implants, wound dressings, and targeted therapies, enhancing the performance and safety of medical devices. 3D printing technology is revolutionizing the field of biomaterials. With 3D printing, custom implants and scaffolds can be created to fit a patient's unique anatomy. This allows for more precise and effective treatments, especially in complex cases. The combination of advanced biomaterials and 3D printing is paving the way for personalized medicine and innovative solutions in surgery and tissue engineering. Despite the many advances, there are still significant challenges in the field of biomaterials. Ensuring long-term safety and effectiveness, preventing infection, and achieving perfect integration with the body remain ongoing concerns. Researchers are constantly working to overcome these obstacles, developing new materials, and testing them rigorously before they reach clinical use. Before biomaterials can be used in patients, they must undergo strict regulatory review. Agencies like the FDA evaluate the safety, effectiveness, and quality of new materials and devices. This process involves extensive laboratory testing, animal studies, and clinical trials. Regulatory approval ensures that only safe and effective biomaterials are used in medical practice. Ophthalmology has greatly benefited from biomaterials, especially in the development of contact lenses, intraocular lenses, and corneal implants. These materials must be transparent, biocompatible, and able to withstand the unique environment of the eye. Advances in biomaterials have improved vision correction and restored sight for millions of people worldwide. Plastic and reconstructive surgery often relies on biomaterials for implants, tissue expanders, and wound dressings. These materials help restore form and function after injury or surgery. The ability to customize biomaterials for each patient has led to better cosmetic and functional outcomes, enhancing both appearance and quality of life. In cancer therapy, biomaterials are used to deliver drugs directly to tumors, minimizing damage to healthy tissues. Nanoparticles and hydrogels can carry chemotherapy agents and release them in a controlled manner. This targeted approach improves the effectiveness of treatment and reduces side effects, offering new hope for cancer patients. Neurology is another field where biomaterials are making a difference. Materials are being developed for nerve repair, brain implants, and spinal cord regeneration. These biomaterials must be carefully engineered to interact with delicate neural tissues, promoting healing and restoring function after injury or disease. Pediatric medicine presents unique challenges for biomaterials, as children's bodies are still growing and developing. Biomaterials used in pediatric care must be safe, adaptable, and able to accommodate growth. Examples include biodegradable stents and custom implants for congenital defects. These innovations are improving outcomes for young patients. Biomaterials aren't just for humans, they're also used in veterinary medicine. From orthopedic implants for injured pets to wound dressings for livestock, biomaterials are helping animals recover from injury and illness. The principles of biocompatibility and safety apply just as much in animal care as they do in human medicine. Surface modification is a key technique in biomaterials engineering. By altering the surface of a material, scientists can improve its compatibility with tissues, reduce the risk of infection, or enhance its mechanical properties. Techniques like coating, texturing, and chemical modification are widely used to optimize the performance of biomaterials in medical devices. Bioactive biomaterials are designed to interact with biological tissues, promoting healing or regeneration. For example, bioactive glasses can bond with bone, stimulating new bone growth. These materials are especially useful in orthopedics and dentistry, where integration with natural tissues is critical for success. Hydrogels are a type of biomaterial that can hold large amounts of water, making them ideal for wound dressings, drug delivery, and tissue engineering. Their soft, flexible nature allows them to mimic natural tissues, providing comfort and support in medical applications. Hydrogels can also be engineered to release drugs or growth factors as needed. Polymers are widely used in biomaterials due to their versatility and tunable properties. They can be engineered to be flexible or rigid, biodegradable or permanent. Polymers are found in everything from sutures and stents to artificial organs. Their adaptability makes them a cornerstone of modern biomaterials science. Ceramics are another important class of biomaterials, known for their strength and biocompatibility. They are commonly used in bone and dental implants, where durability and integration with natural tissues are essential. Advances in ceramic materials have led to longer-lasting and more reliable implants for patients. Metals like titanium, stainless steel, and cobalt chrome alloys are widely used in biomaterials for their strength and resistance to corrosion. These metals are essential in orthopedic and dental implants, as well as cardiovascular devices. Surface treatments and coatings are often applied to improve their compatibility with the body. Composites combine two or more materials to create a product with enhanced properties. In biomaterials, composites can offer the strength of metals with the flexibility of polymers, or the bioactivity of ceramics with the durability of plastics. These materials are tailored for specific medical applications, providing optimal performance and safety. Before biomaterials can be used in patients, they undergo rigorous testing to ensure safety and effectiveness. This includes laboratory studies, animal testing, and clinical trials. Researchers evaluate properties like biocompatibility, mechanical strength, and long-term stability. Only materials that pass these tests are approved for medical use. Sterilization is a critical step in preparing biomaterials for medical use. Methods such as steam, radiation, or chemical sterilization are used to eliminate bacteria and viruses. The chosen method must not damage the material or alter its properties. Proper sterilization ensures patient safety and prevents infections. Preventing infection is a top priority in biomaterials science. Researchers are developing materials with antimicrobial properties, such as silver coatings or antibiotic-releasing surfaces. These innovations help reduce the risk of infection after surgery or implantation, improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. Personalized medicine is becoming a reality with the help of biomaterials. Custom implants, tailored drug delivery systems, and patient-specific scaffolds are now possible thanks to advances in imaging and manufacturing. These personalized solutions offer better fit, function, and outcomes for individual patients. Sustainability is an emerging focus in biomaterials research. Scientists are exploring renewable sources, biodegradable materials, and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. The goal is to reduce the environmental impact of medical devices while maintaining safety and effectiveness. Sustainable biomaterials are a step toward greener healthcare. The future of biomaterials is bright, with ongoing research focused on smarter, safer, and more effective materials. Trends include the development of bio-inspired materials, integration with digital health technologies, and the use of artificial intelligence to design new biomaterials. These advances promise to transform healthcare in the years to come. As biomaterials become more advanced, ethical considerations are increasingly important. Issues such as patient consent, long-term safety, and access to new technologies must be addressed. Researchers, clinicians, and policymakers are working together to ensure that biomaterials are developed and used responsibly. Education and training are vital for the safe and effective use of biomaterials. Medical professionals must stay up to date with the latest advances, techniques, and safety protocols. Universities and training programs are incorporating biomaterials science into their curricula, preparing the next generation of healthcare providers. Collaboration is key to advancing biomaterials science. Scientists, engineers, clinicians, and industry partners work together to develop new materials and bring them to market. International cooperation accelerates research and ensures that innovations benefit patients around the world. Behind every biomaterial innovation are real patients whose lives have been changed. From joint replacements that restore mobility to heart valves that save lives, these stories highlight the impact of biomaterials on individuals and families. Hearing these experiences reminds us of the human side of medical science. As the global population ages, biomaterials are playing a crucial role in supporting healthy aging. Implants, prosthetics, and regenerative therapies help older adults maintain independence and quality of life. Ongoing research aims to develop materials that are even more durable and compatible with aging tissues. Athletes benefit from biomaterials through advanced implants, joint replacements, and tissue repair technologies. These materials help speed up recovery, restore function, and prevent re-injury. The field of sports medicine continues to evolve with new biomaterial innovations tailored to the needs of active individuals. Biomaterials aren't just found in hospitals, they're part of everyday life. Contact lenses, dental fillings, and even some cosmetics rely on biomaterials for safety and effectiveness. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more applications in daily living, making life healthier and more convenient. Raising public awareness about biomaterials is important for informed decision-making. Educational campaigns, patient resources, and transparent communication help people understand the benefits and risks of biomaterials. As more people learn about these materials, they can make better choices about their health and treatment options. In summary, biomaterials are transforming medicine and improving lives around the world. From implants and drug delivery systems to tissue engineering and personalized care, these materials are at the heart of medical innovation. As research continues, we can look forward to even more breakthroughs that will shape the future of healthcare. The promise of biomaterials is truly exciting, offering hope and healing for generations to come.